Okay, next up is the 10-second song. Okay, and now we're going to learn our first, or really our second note on the treble staff, which is the note G. Look at it there. The second line up is G. So we have middle C over here, close to the staff since the right hand is playing it there. Middle C, and then the note G. Okay, let's also remember there's a repeat sign here. Okay, first time through, it's loud. Second time through, it is soft. Okay, here we go. One, out, first finger on C, fifth finger on G. Ready, go. C, 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 G, G, G. C, G, C, G, C, C, C. Now soft. C, 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 G, G, G. C, G, C, G, C, C, C. Okay, good.